Imagine this. You walk into a room. Maybe it's an interview. Maybe it's a party. Or maybe you just met a new friend. You are feeling okay. Your English feels okay. And then they ask that question.
Oh no, I know the question.
So, tell me about yourself. And suddenly, your mind goes blank, totally empty. You forget your name. You forget your English. Your heart starts beating fast. Has that ever happened to you?
Honestly, Vanessa, that happens to me in my native language. It's the scariest question in the world.
It really is. And for you listening right now, I want you to know something. If you freeze when you hear this question, it is not because your English is bad.
No, not at all.
It's because it's a huge, scary question. It feels like a test. But today, we are going to stop the panic.
Exactly. We're going to just sit here, have a coffee, and figure out a simple, calm way to answer this. No stress, just real connection.
So, if you're learning English and you want it to feel less stressful and a lot more natural, stay with us.
You know, Vanessa, I think the reason this is so hard is that we try to be perfect.
Oh, absolutely. When I ask students, tell me about yourself, do you know what they usually do?
What?
They turn into a robot. Hello, my name is Juan. I am from Spain. I am an accountant. I like football.
The robot mode. I've done that. You get scared, so you just say facts, just a list.
Right, and it's boring. But it's not you. You are interesting. You have a personality. But fear takes it away.
I think another mistake I see, and I mean I do this too, is the history lesson.
The history lesson?
Yeah, you start at the very beginning. I was born in 1985 in a small town. Then I went to elementary school. Then I moved.
Oh, Bob, too much information.
I know, but we do it because we want to keep talking so there is no silence. We are afraid of the silence, so we just ramble.
Ramble. That is such a good word. It means talking and talking without a point.
Exactly. We ramble because we are nervous. But actually, the person listening, they just want to know who you are now, today.
Yes, they just want to connect with you. They don't need your whole biography. They just want a human moment.
So if you are listening and you think, oh no, I am a robot, or oh no, I ramble, don't worry.
Seriously, don't worry. We all do it. But today, let's try to fix it. So, Bob, I have to ask, have you ever messed this up?
Oh boy, yes. Actually, I remember a specific time.
Tell us.
It was a few years ago. I went to a networking event. You know, where everyone is wearing suits and trying to look important.
Ugh, those are stressful.
Very stressful. And I was feeling very shy. I was standing by the food table, mostly eating cheese, so I didn't have to talk.
Good strategy.
But then this guy comes up to me, very confident, big smile, and he says, "Hi, I'm Dave. Tell me about yourself, Bob."
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. And Vanessa? I panicked. I had that, what do you call it? Brain freeze.
Brain freeze, like when you eat ice cream too fast.
Yes, but in my head. I completely forgot my job. I forgot what I do. So I looked at him and I said, I like cats.
You said you like cats?
I said, I like cats. And then I stopped talking. It was so awkward. He just looked at me and said, "Oh, cool," and then walked away.
Oh, Bob, that is tragic. But I love it.
It was terrible. But looking back, I realize why it happened. I was trying to impress him. I was thinking, what does he want to hear? Instead of just being honest.
That is so powerful. What does he want to hear? I think all of our listeners feel that. When you speak English, you are always thinking, is this correct? Is this what the teacher wants?
Exactly. And you stop being yourself.
You know, the best answer I ever heard was from a student named Maria. She was very beginner. Her grammar was, messy.
Yeah?
I asked, "Tell me about yourself." She smiled, a really big smile, and she said, "I am a mother, I am a nurse, and I am happy to be here."
Wow.
Simple, 3 sentences. But I felt her warmth. I didn't care about her grammar. I just liked her.
That's it, isn't it? It's the confidence. She wasn't hiding.
She wasn't hiding. So, friends listening right now, you don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to be present.
I love that.
Hey, if this feels familiar, if you've ever had a brain freeze like Bob, hit the like button on this video. It really helps other learners find us and realize they aren't alone.
So, Vanessa, we used some good expressions just now. I want to make sure everyone caught them, because these are great for real conversation.
Let's do it! What was the first one?
Brain freeze.
Ah, yes, brain freeze.
Usually this is when you drink a cold milkshake and your head hurts. But we use it when your mind stops working.
Right. You can say, "Sorry, I have brain freeze. I forgot the word." It's a very natural way to show you are nervous, but it sounds funny and friendly.
Yeah, it makes the other person smile. Okay, what about ramble?
To ramble. This means to talk and talk with no direction.
I ramble when I am nervous.
Me too. You can say to someone, "Sorry, I'm rambling." It's a polite way to stop yourself and get back to the point.
I like that. It shows you are self-aware. What about awkward?
Oh, good word. Awkward. This describes a situation that feels uncomfortable, like Bob's story about the cats.
Yes, that was very awkward. If you make a mistake in English, you can just say, "Well, that was awkward," and laugh. It fixes the mood immediately.
And one more? I liked the moment of truth.
The moment of truth. This is that 1 second when you have to do something difficult.
Like when the interviewer asks a question. It's the moment of truth.
Simple phrases. But if you use these, you sound so natural. You don't sound like a textbook.
Before we go, I want to give you a simple formula for tell me about yourself. just so you have something in your pocket for next time.
Keep it simple, right?
Very simple. Just remember, present, past, future. 1. Present. Who are you now? I'm a graphic designer. 2. Past. One tiny detail. I've been doing this for 5 years. 3. Future. Why are you here? And I'm really excited to learn more English.
That's it. 3 sentences.
That's it. You don't need to tell them where you were born. You don't need to tell them your cat's name. Sorry, Bob.
It's okay. I learned my lesson.
Friends, listen to me. Your story is interesting, even in simple English. You are not boring. You are just learning.
And every time you speak, you are getting braver. You're doing better than you think.
Absolutely.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe. We love hanging out with you.
And in the comments, tell us about yourself. But keep it short. Use the formula. Present, past, future. We read every single comment.
We really do. We can't wait to meet you.
See you next time, friends. Bye.
Bye, everyone.